Hey guys, so yeah, kaninang umaga nag-refill kami ng mga vending machines and I didn't feel like talking kasi masyadong matrabaho ang vending machine in my opinion. Anyway, we still have that business and we're still trying to get rid of it. So if you still know or you know anybody who's looking to buy, let me know. And right now I'm heading to Project Maples kasi I'm gonna go meet up with my agent who's going to list that property. And I keep saying this project should be done this week and should be listed early next week in the market. So yeah, let's go see it. Hopefully we are 98% as of today, but we'll see. So guys, nandito na tayo sa Project Maples and we are super close. I think we're at 93%, I would say. All the doors got their doorknobs already. Ooh, there you go. Shuts the door good. Tapos, they're just running around doing touch-ups dito sa bathroom. Kahapon, pinakita ko sa inyo na giniglaze yung tub natin and it's finally done. Curing na lang. Tapos, itong exhaust, kailangan natin palitan yan. And itong mirror, I don't like it like this. I want it vertical. So, papalitan ni Francisco yan. Also, got our thermostat. Guys, just finishing off dito sa Project Maples. Looking good. It's looking good. Yeah, I'm just gonna go home now kasi I have a lead to go to mamaya. And ito yung lead na dapat kahapon but we got rescheduled for today. So, let's go home and then go to the lead later on. Well, never mind guys. I just got a text from the seller dun sa lead natin mamaya and he said busy daw sila. So, nagpapa-reschedule some other time. So, we're just gonna go home, eat dinner, and then drop Kuya Elijah to basketball. And then, maybe, habang nagpa-practice Kuya Elijah, shooting range ako sa shooters. Driving range pala. We'll see.